I've been hearing it a lot. That helicopter type sound is a Russian Woodpecker, which is a radar system. In the past few months, I've actually heard them a lot more in the bands. It seems that the Russians have reactivated their HF Woodpecker radars. So if you hear these little thump that you just heard at the beginning of the video, well, this is the Russian Woodpecker, and these are radars from Russia, actually, that you're hearing, and scanning the waves to detect enemy planes and missiles and stuff like that.